We're excited to present our newest listing at 607 East 1st Street in the heart of Prosper, located near the vibrant downtown district. This home, built in 1895, is one of the oldest in Prosper. Let's take a look inside. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home can be purchased as a residential property or as a commercial space for office use. It's yours to decide. And it comes on a prime corner lot with 3/4 of an acre. An added bonus to this property is this outbuilding that's perfect for a home office, a workshop, storage, or an income-producing space. This amazing property has so much to offer, and it's located in one of the fastest growing areas of North Texas. Contact the Birdsong Group to schedule your private tour today.